In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Microsoft Word. Blurring an image right inside Word is a quick way to hide sensitive details or create a soft background behind your text without opening any other software. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, make sure the image you want to blur is selected. Simply click the picture once. When it's selected, you'll see resize handles around the edges, and a special tab will appear on the ribbon at the top of Word. This is important because the next options only show up when the picture is actively selected. Now look for the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. This tab is contextual, meaning it appears only for images. Go ahead and click it to reveal image editing tools designed specifically for pictures. Within the Picture Format tab, find the Adjust group. This is where Word keeps quick correction and effect tools. Click Artistic Effects. A visual menu will open, showing different styles you can apply to your image. From that list, choose Blur. As soon as you select Blur, Word applies the effect to your image. You'll notice edges and details soften immediately, which can be helpful for obscuring information or creating a clean, professional look where the picture doesn't compete with your text. If you want more control over how strong the blur appears, look to the bottom of that same Artistic Effects menu and click Artistic Effects Options. This opens a pane with a slider for the blur intensity. Drag the slider slightly for a subtle haze that keeps shapes recognizable, or push it further for a strong blur that masks details more thoroughly. Watch your document as you adjust. Word updates the image in real time, so you can stop exactly where it looks right for your layout. That's it. The blur effect is now applied directly to the image in your Word document. The change is non-destructive, which means you can come back later, select the same picture, and revisit Artistic Effects if you want to tweak or remove the blur. Keep in mind that the overall look can vary depending on the resolution of your image and the scale at which it's placed on the page. With these steps, you can quickly soften a photo for a header, hide private information in a screenshot, or create a gentle backdrop behind text, all without leaving Word. Try it on a sample image to get a feel for the intensity slider, and you'll be ready to apply a clean, consistent blur whenever you need it.